So we start out today's video with someone who has very long hair. I'd say about mid-back length or so. Stylist chops the hair. Oh, wow. Absolutely stunning pixie makeover. She does have more of that asymmetrical shape with this hair change. She looks amazing. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some beautiful hair transformations. Here we have this gorgeous blonde bob style. This looks absolutely stunning, especially paired with the red lip. Just gorgeous. And then we see someone with long hair. So she got a haircut and a color change for this transformation. Very nice wavy curly texture there at the top. Wow, absolutely gorgeous transformation. I love the color that she got as well. She looks beautiful. So next up we have someone else with curly hair. Stylist is cutting some bangs with this change as well. Oh, a nice little shaggy bob. Oh, wow. Such a cute, fun style, especially for the summer. Very nice. Next up, we see this beautiful pixie style. Nice spiky texture going there in the crown, and she does have a hint of color from the front portion of this pixie. Beautiful. Ooh, gorgeous. gorgeous bob haircut transformation. This is absolutely perfection. And here we see someone with mid-length hair. Stylist brushes the hair into a ponytail and then cuts. Mixes in some color. Wow, look at the sheen that her hair has. So pretty. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous. She got a very nice cropped cut with the swoop bangs. Very nice. So here we have someone with mid-length hair. Ooh, look at this color change. So she ended up getting the money piece highlight trend. Beautiful kind of caramel color mixed in. Gorgeous. Beautifully done. Alright, you guys, I hope you were able to find some hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.